Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel DC Learning Therapy. In today's video, let's see some action words for the phonetics. So let's start.
Hi friends, how are you doing? Today, Minnie and myself are going to show actions for phonetics.
So the first sound is ah. Here we have to ask a child to pretend like ants climbing on the arms.
Ants on my arm, ants on my arm, and they are causing me alarm.
Now the second sound is b. We have to ask a child to pretend like hitting the ball. And by doing this, they will remember the sound.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, b. Bring your bat and bring your ball, b.
So the next sound is k. C and K has the same sound. We'll ask a child to pretend like clicking.
We are clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet. We are clicking castanet.
The next sound is the sound. Here we ask the child to pretend like playing drums. We'll start. See.
Yes. See me play on my drum. Playing drum is lots of fun. With a da.
The next sound is A. We have to ask the child to pretend like breaking the egg.
Eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, eggs in a pan, crack the egg like this,
So the next sound here is F. Here the child should slowly bring their hands together like deflating the floating fish.
So the next is sound. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole and air came out.
The next sound is G. Here we ask a child to pretend their hand like water spiraling down the drain, like G, G, G.
The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain. G, 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 g. G, 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 g.
The next sound is H sound. Here we ask a child to pretend like hop up and down and they breathe in and out like huff and puff.
I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around.
The next sound is A. Here the child pretends like wiggling their fingers on their end of their nose in their whiskers, like A, 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 A.
Do like this and say A, A, A. A, 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 A.
The next sound here is J. Here we have to do the wobbling activity like a jelly jam.
Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja.
The next is K. I already told that C and K has the same action words like a clicking their fingers. The next is L sound like licking lollipops. Put your tongue out and ask a child to pretend like licking the lollipops. We lick our lollipops.
We lick our ice cream. We lick our ice cream. We lick our ice cream.
The next sound is sound. We ask the child to pretend like rub their tummies when they see their favorite food like
The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
The next sound is sound. Here the child pretends to be like a plane and saying and runs around.
Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise.
The next sound is O. Here the child pretends to turn the lights on and off with the fingers.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. It's time to bed, lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Here the next sound is p sound. Here we ask the child to pretend like puffing out on the tricky candles. The next sound is quack sound.
Now let's see quack sound. The ducks in a pond quack 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 quack. The ducks in a pond quack 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 all around the pond.
Now the next sound is sound. Here the child does as though holding the blanket and shaking their head and making
See my meanie rip the rug.
Now the next is sound. Ask the child to weave their hands like snake is in the grass.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
The next sound is t sound. Here the child pretends to turn their head side to side as though they are watching tennis game like t t t t t.
When I watch the tennis game, when I watch the tennis game,
My head goes side to side. The next is a sound like opening up an umbrella.
uh, 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 uh.
The next is v sound, pretending like a driving a van. The next sound is w sound. Here they open up their hand and pretend to blow. The next sound is x sound. Here the child pretends to take a click on the camera like x. The next is a sound like eating yogurt.
I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Eh.
Last sound is sound. Ask your child to tuck their elbows and flap their arms like wings, making buzzing sound. So that is all, friends. Hope you all like my video. Please like, share and comment. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.